Hello everyone. Allow me to show you a general analysis of the global needs of the industrial welding market in just 3 trends. Number 1. There's a tremendous shortage of welders in the world. The industry needs millions of welders and it urgently needs to recruit the next generation. In order to do so, the educational system must be able to attract and engage that new generation by adopting new training programs that are modern and interactive in a sustainable and safe environment. Secondly, welding training programs cost several thousands of dollars at community colleges or technical schools, and a bachelor's degree in welding can cost up to $100,000 and takes about 4 years to complete. On the other hand, rising raw material costs cause companies to look for solutions to reduce the impact. As an example, the price of aluminium has increased by 60% over the last 2 years, a cost that is difficult to bear for welding training schools which use large amounts of single practice pieces. Thirdly, welding is a significant source of toxic fumes and gases emissions, which is in contrast to the commitment of companies and society in general to protect the environment. Young people today have more awareness and concerns about working near environmental toxins, which is considered for welding professions. The industrial sector is changing very fast and needs to ensure that professionals are updated with the required skills and competencies. Industry 4.0 is increasing the pressure for innovation, and the utilization is a key driver for performance and upskilling. Can you imagine how much it would cost to train the millions of welders that the industry needs in the next few years? Traditional welding training has not evolved and is still inefficient, costly, polluting, and dangerous. So, do you prefer to remain anchored in the past? Simulation has proven success in transforming modern training. The aviation and medical industries have been using simulation training since the 1960s, and for the last 2 years, we're already seeing welding academies around the world using simulation as part of their welding training practices. So why not use simulation to revolutionize training for professional welders in the industry? Soldermatic is a patented, state-of-the-art, proven, effective and proprietary augmented reality-based training solution powered by HyperReal Sim, an exclusive, trademarked feature that provides the most realistic welding training experience aside from real welding. But before explaining this solution, I'm going to tell you what it can do for you. By using Soldermatic simulation training, you can get more well-trained welders faster. Soldermatic has shown to increase the number of certified welders by 34%, while also decreasing actual welding lab training time required by 56%. But moreover, you'll be saving more than 68% of your workshop costs and reduce accidents by more than 84%. In conclusion, you need to know that one single welding machine consumes the same electricity as 20 Soldermatic units. Seabury Augmented Training is designed with the objective to improve learning processes and promote intensive, dynamic and flexible practice. It allows teachers to easily manage the different courses with several students, regardless of their level, learning rhythm and location. This methodology, created for welders by welders, combines Soldermatic learning platforms together with the utmost reality simulator and real practice. Using this methodology, Soldermatic revolutionizes welding training by creating the next generation of welders. Now, let me introduce you to the Soldermatic components. The first one is the welding simulator itself that looks like a real welding machine on purpose. It contains a real control panel where the welder will be able to modify all different welding parameters, adjust the voltage, the amperage, etc., just like in the real welding workshop. Secondly, we have the helmet and the torches, which are actually provided by real welding manufacturers in order to provide the welder the most realistic welding training experience. And lastly, the simulation includes remastered high-definition sounds, professional torches with vibration, gloves, and real-life welding based on industry standards. It also allows the practice of manual welding through a wide catalogue of welding joints in augmented reality with materials like carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminium in thicknesses from 1 mm to 25 mm, in G-More, F-Core, SMORE, and G-Tor processes. Soldermatic records all parameters in real time, which helps to correct errors either on-site or after the practice has been completed. In fact, you can check or even test a cross-section on the analysis model of your welding beam. This multi-sensory training experience is calibrated in such a way that you know what's happening at every moment, providing the most precise welding simulation. You can also train your welders through Soldermatic robotics, which includes calibrated welding joints for robotics use. This allows training operators in robotic programming for a specific welding team. Thanks to the excellent content on the learning courses, you can create a customized training plan for your welders, even if you want to work in the class. This is everything you need for welders in the future, but Soldermatic goes beyond that. With Soldermatic Prime, advanced welders can train with specific advanced welding features like pulsed arc, open root, corner welding, 6GR position, and different scales in tubes. Another important feature is the weld paddle simulation for a more true-to-life, thick welding experience. In addition, they can also choose a different thicknesses, multiple welding beads, and different processes in the same welding joint. This means that the same Soldermatic can include different levels of software, helping to teach from beginners to professional welders. As a result, it allows training for different people with advanced welding of joints specifically designed for different industrial sectors like automotive, railway and heavy machinery, shipbuilding, or oil and gas. You can prepare for industry requirements as well. Furthermore, the industrial services team can analyze the specific needs of each client, design customized projects, and implement them through our class models, which will optimize training and reduce costs for industrial companies. Results speak louder than words, and proof of these are the well-known and leading companies that have already implemented Soldermatic. So, what are you waiting for to take your welding to the next level? Contact your distributor today.